Hello everyone, this is McMaster and today I want to tell you that how to fix your dimension style on textiles according to your drawing skill. Please subscribe to my channel and follow my next videos as well. This is floor plan and here I have dimensions. I want to tell you that how to fix your drawing according to your skill. Here I zoom that to tell you that about in dimension style. De-enter, come to dimension style. Here I have different dimension style that I have already made it, and today I want to tell you that how to make a new one for yourself as well. Okay, I click on 100 and select on new. Okay, that is a copy of 100 scale that I have already. You can change the name as well by I left that by continue. Here you have a new window. Okay, here we have two types of line, dimension line and extension line. Here is dimension line in lines tab. Click on that. You can choose your dimension lines color as well, that whatever color do you want you can select that one. And here by line type you can choose your line type to your dimension lines. If you click on other, click on load and you can choose your different lines of dimension style. Okay, I left it by continue. Okay, the third one is extend beyond thick. Here is thick, and also you can use this one, or you can give a value for this place. And here you can have two types of dimension line. Here one type, one and second one. Okay, here is extension lines as well, as same as it was in dimension style. You can choose a different color for that. Here you can see that it changes. Okay, I have it by red. And also line type by extension line for one end and two end. Here we have two options, 1 and 2. Okay, and the line weight as well. You can choose a different line weight for your extension lines. And also you can suppress your extension line. Here you can see one and the second one. Okay, here we have extend beyond dimension lines. Here it is 40. It shows that this distance I give that value about 40, and also I can offset that from origin. Okay, here is the fixed length extension lines. Here is my extension line, and I can fix their length. It is 80 millimeter, and I can give it a value about 250 millimeter. When I OK that, it changes. Okay, but I left it at 80. Okay, now I come to my second tab. It is symbol and arrow. You can choose a different arrow shapes for your extension or dimension lines. Here is arrow size. You know that about arrow size, just apply that value about your scale of your paper. For example, your paper scale is 100, multiply that 100 by 1.5. It is equal to 150. Okay, center mark as well. You can change the center marks, and then use remark and dimension break. You have the break about your dimension in dimension or extensions. And now I come to the third tab. It is text. That's very important. I choose your textiles from here. Click on here, and you can make a new textiles here. For making new one for yourself, just click on new and you can have your textiles. For example, it is 100, copy. Okay, copy. It's my name of textiles. Here I can use different fonts for myself. Okay, here is height of scale. As I mentioned before, just multiply your paper scale by 1.5. 1.5 times to the 100, it equal to 150. And as well, you can select bold, italic, and regular as well for your texts. For example, here it shows italic. Yes, it is italic, and regular is best in my opinion. And don't change a weight factor as well from 1, and oblique angle is 0. Then apply that and set current. Now close that one, and here you can make your choose your text styles from here. Okay, that's great. And here is text color. I can choose by layer and fill color. Yes, it will be like that, and none is better. Text height is from here. We gave it the value in here, and we can change here right now. And this, or yes, outside. Okay, and below it comes under the dimension line, centered in the center of your dimension style, and above is, in my opinion, is great. And text alignment horizontal as always, or aligned with dimension lines. Okay, it's aligned, and also ISO standard. Okay, aligned with dimension style is better. Here is another option, offset from dimension style. Here the distance between dimension line and our text, maybe 15 millimeter, that's okay, and you can change it as well. Come to the fourth tab, fit. Yes, that's either text or arrow beside the dimension line. Use over scale of 1. Come to the next one. Here I have unit format, decimal, engineering, architectural. Decimal is better. Precision, you can give a value after your point. It's 0 because it's in millimeter. And as well, dimension separator, you can choose space, comma, period, whatever you want. And here you can give a suffix or prefix for your dimensions. If you give that, you can do as well. And scale factor is 1. Why? Because of that my dimensions are in millimeter. If it is, I want to change that into meter, or change it from meter to millimeter, I give that value by 1000 meter to millimeter. Okay, here you have, but it is 1 because my dimensions are in millimeter. And here as well you can change angular dimensions from decimal degree, decimal minute, seconds, gradient, and precision is 0. And now I made my dimension style just okay on that. And set current by hand reader copy, set current, okay, that. And when I want to change your dimension style, yes, I select one of them, right click, select similar. Okay, here I have, and also change it to a copy of 100. Okay, that's great. And as well you can, it's narrow Arial, change it to 250, 40, 350, whatever you want. I have different styles for my dimensions. Okay, here come to my layout. Yes, here it is, and write something here. Text. Yes, it is 100. My pitch scale is 70. 70 multiplied by 1.5. It's equal to 105. So my text styles or my text height may be 105. Okay, T, yes, I can write it by 105. Then I can write something here, and it will be similar to my dimensions as well. Here you have, see, here is same. And as well, or for example, double click on that and type. Yes, these are the same. Okay, here it was all thing about dimensional text styles. Please subscribe to my channel and follow my next videos as well. Bye bye.